Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play with your friends on FIFA. Whether you want to challenge a buddy online or gather everyone for some couch co-op, there are many ways to enjoy the beautiful game together. We'll cover the different modes available, how to easily connect with your friends, and some tips to make your gaming sessions truly memorable. Get ready to dive into the action and experience football fun with your pals. For direct online competition, Online Friendlies is your go-to. Simply navigate to the Online tab from the main menu and select Online Friendlies. You can then invite a friend from your list to start a new friendly season. This mode lets you track your head-to-head record across 5 matches, adding a fun competitive edge. You can also adjust various match settings, such as half-length and game rules, for a personalized experience. If you prefer teamwork, Co-op Seasons allows you and a friend to play 2 versus 2 online against other duos. You'll start in Division 5 and work your way up, earning points for victories and draws. Additionally, Ultimate Team offers co-op options for modes like Division Rivals, Squad Battles, and Friendlies. Just open the EA Social menu, invite your friend, and you can combine your Ultimate Teams to take on opponents together. For those times when your friends are right there with you, local multiplayer is perfect. You can connect up to 4 controllers to play together in kickoff mode, enjoying classic couch co-op. Simply select kickoff from the quick play modes. Remember, for any online play, ensure your friends are added to your in-game friends list through the social menu. Now you have all the tools to enjoy countless hours of football with your friends.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.